Looking for treasure, adventure, or just a new outdoor hobby? In today's video, we're diving into the top 3 best metal detectors. Perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and serious hunters alike. From beachcombing to backyard digs, we've got a pick for every level and budget. Let's jump in. First up, we've got the Garrett ACE 250, a reliable favorite among treasure hunters. Lightweight, easy to use, and packed with features, this metal detector is perfect for both beginners and hobbyists. It comes with 5 search modes, including all metal, jewelry, custom, relics, and coins, so you can hunt exactly what you're looking for. The electronic pinpointing feature helps you locate your targets with precision and speed up recovery time. With accept/reject discrimination, you can filter out unwanted items like trash. The large LCD display shows real-time info, including a coin depth indicator and battery life. It's also got an adjustable arm cuff, a comfortable grip, and even interchangeable search coils for different detecting conditions. Whether you're digging in the backyard or exploring old relic sites, the ACE 250 is a budget-friendly, high-performance choice to kickstart your detecting journey. Next, we have the Minelab Equinox 800, a powerhouse of advanced detection technology. This all-terrain, multi-frequency detector is built for serious treasure hunters and gold prospectors alike. It features multi-IQ simultaneous frequency technology, offering 6 frequency options from 5 kHz to 40 kHz, including a powerful gold mode for detecting small nuggets in mineralized soil. You also get 4 preset detect modes: park, field, beach, and gold, along with 8 customizable profiles, lightning-fast wireless audio, and a waterproof design up to 10 feet deep. Included accessories? An 11-inch double-D smart coil, Bluetooth headphones, WM08 wireless module, and a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 12 hours. Whether you're detecting coins, relics, or gold, the Equinox 800 delivers unmatched depth, precision, and performance, on land or underwater. Finally, we have the Garrett AT Max, a top-tier detector known for its maximum depth and all-terrain versatility. It runs at a powerful 13.6 kHz frequency, enhancing sensitivity for detecting gold, coins, and jewelry, even in mineralized soil or underwater up to 3 meters deep. Equipped with Z-Lynk wireless technology, it delivers audio 6 times faster than Bluetooth using the included MS-3 wireless headphones. You also get a Pro Pointer at Pinpointer, waterproof and ideal for 360 degrees detection. It features true all-metal mode, iron audio, fast recovery speed, and 175-point ground balance, making it perfect for saltwater beaches and harsh terrain. With 4 search modes, a backlit LCD, and an adjustable length of up to 56 inches, the AT Max is built for serious treasure hunters who demand performance and depth in any condition. So there you have it, our top 3 picks for the best metal detectors. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned treasure hunter, there's a perfect match here for every adventure. All product links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Trendy Trio Reviews for more honest and in-depth product breakdowns.